At para naman po sa mga health enthusiasts, isang sophisticated at luxurious fitness gym ang inilunsad ng Surge Fitness and Lifestyle na magsisigurong ma-achieve ang healthy mind and body. Ang detalye mula kay Mark De La Rosa.
Sa kasalukuyan, napakahalaga ng pagkakaroon ng malusog na katawan at isipan upang makayanan ang mga hamon ng araw-araw na buhay. Daanin man sa masustansyang pagkain o intense workout, mainam pa rin na mayroon tayong katuwang sa ating #fitness goals.
We're celebrating the grand opening, finally, official celebration of Estancia, and at the same time we are launching a brand new membership package that I think all of you might be interested in.
Isang malaking sorpresa ang inanunsyo ng Surge Fitness and Lifestyle sa pagbubukas ng gym para sa lahat ng fitness enthusiasts.
Surge for Life is a premium membership package that's designed to provide an enhanced experience through long-term sustainability, exclusivity, and luxury for all its members. It's a new membership type where members pay a one-time fee of 100,000 pesos and a monthly fee of only 1,499 pesos for 10 years to gain access to the most sophisticated and luxurious fitness club in the country.
Ang Surge for Life ay isang dekadang dedikasyon para sa mga fitness junkie na suportado ng mga gym coach upang maging #fitspiration din sa iba. Bukod sa mga top-notch na programa na angkop sa pangangailangan ng bawat gym goer, a notch higher din ang kalidad ng mga pasilidad sa Surge Fitness and Lifestyle.
Members have 24/7 access to all clubs, all amenities, and all services all the time. This includes the high-tech facial recognition software that we have, AI-enabled exercise equipment, sauna, steam rooms, play zone, co-working area, and all of that.
So we have technology in almost every aspect of facility and amenity in the club, which makes it more comfortable, more convenient, more fun.
Sabi nga nila, basta determinado, siguradong ma-achieve natin ang healthy mind and body.
This is at the heart of Surge. It aims to help people prevent sickness, prevent deterioration, and ultimately prevent unhappiness. Let's make better health and lifestyle decisions. Let's take better care of ourselves, and let's start living a good life. Surge for Life. Thank you.
Mark De La Rosa, para sa mata ng Agila. Matatag, matapang, matapat.